What's up, everybody? This is Stu Crowell, Liv Sotheby's International Realty here. We are in RiNo today, if you can't tell by this awesome street art in this alley, and I'm gonna take you around one of my favorite neighborhoods, what I call Denver's most inspiring neighborhood. Show you guys around some of the sights, some of the inside underground scenes, maybe things you don't know yet about RiNo. So enjoy, we have some good stuff in store for you. Usually when people think about living in RiNo, they think about living in a space that really inspires them. So right now we're at the Silver Square Lofts, which is a reconverted sugar factory. And all of these lofts are really, really neat. Lots of exposed bricks, high ceilings, big open lofted spaces. You get a lot of that feel, and you also get some of the new construction. So developers are coming into RiNo and saying, what can we build that adds character and blends well to the neighborhood? So you get this eclectic mix of some older renovated stuff and some newer construction with more modernized finishes and materials, all of which I'm a huge fan of. Right behind me, you'll notice the Hub, which is where HomeAdvisor has built their new headquarters. It's about 250,000 square feet of office space, 8-story building, it's gigantic. The reason I'm pointing out the Hub is because in about a 6-block vicinity, all around that site, the city has recently upzoned or allowed developers to build better, bigger, more lavish properties than ever before. So right around here, there's gonna be 8 to 12-story buildings in a matter of years that are gonna house mixed use, commercial, hotel, retail, restaurants. It's gonna be booming over here in a way that RiNo has never seen. So you're about to see the whole corridor around 38th and Blake become crazy different than it is right now. One thing you have to know about living or playing in RiNo is you're always gonna deal with a lot of this, a lot of construction. This is Camden. It's a 200-unit-ish apartment building that they just started building, and they're already going nuts with the thing. But in RiNo, generally, you're just gonna deal with a lot of construction. That's how it is when you have a bunch of people interested in one area. River North was actually established in 2005. Most people don't know that, but what they do know is that it was started by artists. And anytime you have artists that start to occupy an area, generally you see a lot of the same trends no matter what city you're in. Right now, a real hot topic in Denver is gentrification and what that's doing to the RiNo/Five Points community. Ultimately, you know, it's something that with a lot of wealth coming in, people can't always control displacement, but what we can do is slow things down and allow people a seat at the table, which I think Denver has done a really good job of. The Denver Housing Authority, for example, is adding affordable housing units in this area and creating a conversation around what the issues of gentrification are in this community and how do we give the marginalized a bigger voice for what happens in an area that they've always lived. So right now, one of the most fun and exciting events in all of RiNo is happening. It's called Crush Walls. We're in the 9th year of Crush Walls, and this year there's 80 artists. Only 10 of them are from outside of Denver, which really goes to show how amazingly vibrant and cool our street art culture is here. So we're having over 100 new pieces of murals and street art and graffiti installed all over RiNo right now by some really, really awesome artists. Thank you guys so much for coming along and enjoying the tour with me in Denver's most inspiring neighborhood, River North, the RiNo Art District. Hope you guys enjoyed.